I miss you guys so much, so much. And I thought we could do a little science lab in our houses. What do you think? Okay, let's do it. So first, I want to know how many of you have seen a rainbow, a real rainbow. Me too, and it's so beautiful. It's one of my favorite things in the world when I finally see a rainbow. So, what is a rainbow? What do you see when you see a rainbow? Where do you see a rainbow? I have a question. What do you think a rainbow is? What makes a rainbow? Have your grown-ups write down your theories, write down your answer, and then we can share them online because I really want to know your ideas. I love hearing your ideas. So, today we're going to try to make our own rainbows. Do you think we can do it? I think we can do it. Oh, here's my cat. Hi, Squid. Everyone say hi to my cat. She wants to do some science too. All right. See you later, Squid. So, what was I saying? I think we can make our own rainbow. Some of the older friends have done some rainbow experiments last year, but we haven't done this one. So I think we can do it. So what you need, the materials are a glass filled almost to the top with water and a flashlight. So I'm gonna use my cell phone because my cell phone has a flashlight, and if your grown-ups want to use their cell phone too, that's totally fine. You can also use a normal flashlight and a white surface. You can use a white piece of paper and set your glass on the piece of paper. I have this little white table, so I'm going to use this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is shine my flashlight through the water. Actually, I'm going to turn off the light so that you can see a little bit better. Let's see. Wait, come on. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, do you see these shadows? So cool. I can change the shadow with my light. That's going to be fun to experiment with after you do your rainbow activity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can shine my light through the water and see if I can see a rainbow on my white surface. Oh, I can see one. It might be hard to see from over there, but I can see red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. I'm going to keep moving it around to see if I can make another one. And you can do this at home too. And oh, there's one. Oh, that's a really good one. Really small right there, but it's very clear. And I can see all the colors here. Do you remember what those colors are? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. When I move my light, it makes the rainbow in different places. And sometimes you have to experiment a little bit to find where you can find the clearest rainbow. So go ahead and do that for a little bit and see how many rainbows can you make. Right now, I kind of see 1, 2, 3. So I'm pointing pointing my flashlight down at an angle through the water. And I can see 1, 2 pretty clear rainbows. But hang on, these rainbows aren't in the sky. We usually see the rainbows in the sky. Why do you think we see them in the sky? Well, what did we need for this to make a rainbow? We needed water, and we needed light. Where do we see water and light in the sky? The light comes from the sun. And when do we see water in the sky? When it's raining. So sometimes we see a rainbow after it rains and the sun's just starting to pop through. So in this experiment, the water was like the rain and the flashlight was like the sun. So we created our own rainbow. So you can experiment a little bit more with this, the light in the water, and see if you can make more than one rainbow. See if you use a different flashlight, if it looks different. See if you use 2 flashlights. What would happen if you use 2 flashlights? You can see if you use colored water. What would happen if we put some food dye in our water? Would we still be able to make a rainbow? Any questions that you can come up with? Let's explore them. And then you can write to me what you did and what you found out. Before we go, we can read this book about rainbows. This is a non-fiction book. Do you remember what non-fiction means? That means it's truth, it's facts. It's not like a story that's made up. This is real facts about rainbows. Maybe I'll turn the light on so you can see. Okay. Do you want to read my book, Squid? Come on. Come on. Rainbows. What are rainbows? The raindrops stop falling. The sun peeks out from behind the clouds. Do you see a rainbow? Do you see it? Right there. So beautiful. A rainbow is a curve of colored stripes. At the top, we see red, orange, yellow, green. Then we see blue, indigo, and violet. Violet is another word for purple. It's a shade of purple, kind of a bright purple here. And indigo is a bluish purplish color. One of my favorite colors. It's beautiful. Indigo. Can you say indigo? So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. When and why do rainbows shine? Rainbows happen when the light shines through tiny water drops. Just like us, the light shone through the water. Light looks white, but it's actually made up of many colors. What? All those colors are hiding in that light? Sneaky light. The water drops act like a prism. The prism bends the light and separates the colors. We see a rainbow. We don't need to read about that. Rainbows appear in the sky opposite the sun. They are easy to see when the sun is low in the sky. Rainbows seem to touch the ground, but they do not. Our eyes are playing tricks on our brains. Wow, you can really see the colors in this rainbow. A double rainbow has 2 bands of colors. 1, 2. The colored pattern is backwards on the top rainbow. Ooh. So this one goes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. And this one goes violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Sneaky, sneaky. Maybe you can try to make a double rainbow in your experiment. Do you think you could do it? I don't know. Try it. To see a rainbow, wait for a rainy day. Watch for the rain to stop and the sun to shine. You will see an amazing sight. So, my friends, sometimes I have a little bit of trouble remembering the order of the colors in the rainbow. So some of my friends, the older friends, might remember this song that we sing about the colors of the rainbow. It goes like this. Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. When the sun shines through the rain, we see the color light contains. Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. How many colors are there in the rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What other song do we hold up 7 fingers for? The days of the week. The days of the week have 7 days, and the rainbow has 7 colors. Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. When the sun shines through the rain, we see the colors light contains. Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. I hope you have a great time making your own rainbows. And after you make your rainbows, make sure to have some fun playing with the shadows. And make sure you tell me what you discover and what you see and observe and what your theories about rainbows are, because I miss you and I want to know what you think. All right, I love you all. Mwah, 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 mwah.